This is my recipe on how to make jerk chicken. First, cut up some chicken breasts, depends on how much you want. And then I take and buy the already jerk sauce. I take and dump in. This is how to make jerk chicken. First, I cut up 4 or 5 chicken breasts, depends on how many people you're feeding. Then I fry it in a frying pan until brown or slightly cooked. And I put the jerk sauce in. I buy the pre-made jerk sauce. And I fry this for a while, and then I'll show you the rest. After the chicken has been in the oven for about half an hour, take it out and test it with a fork, and then turn it over and continue cooking for another 20 minutes to half an hour. As you're cooking the jerk chicken in the frying pan, make sure you turn it over until it's in. Fry it until it's slightly cooked. When the chicken becomes slightly cooked, then place it in a roaster. And then take and put the rest of your sauce. I usually use half the bottle to fry with and the other half to put over when I go to roast it. There it is in the roaster. Now place it in the oven at 350 degrees. Usually around 45 minutes or an hour, but it's to your liking how well you want it cooked. It's starting to get cooked, so probably another 20 minutes to half an hour to be fully cooked and ready to eat. There it is now in the oven. The jerk chicken is now cooked after about 45 minutes to an hour in the oven.